Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I am super excited to be talking to you about this amazing fast wireless charging car mount by ESR. This is the ESR HaloLock fast wireless charging MagSafe compatible car mount with Cryoboost Technology. And I will explain all that in just a minute. Let's talk really fast about what comes in the box. You open up that box, you've got nice, really clear instructions laid out for you. You've got your cable, your Type-C to USB charging cable in the box. Then you've got your vent mount, which has a really strong spring, and then a cool foot pedestal for security to make it hold nice. And then, of course, you've got the star of the show, which is the magnetic wireless charger with that HaloLock technology and Cryoboost. So that's what comes in the box. Now this is awesome. ESR makes MagSafe, some of the best MagSafe accessories out there. They have a technology called HaloLock. Truly is the strongest magnets you are going to find in any MagSafe compatible accessory. The magnets on this will hold your phone, whether you're using it with a MagSafe compatible case or you're using just the phone itself. It will hold tight. Now, of course, they recommend you use the ESR HaloLock case with this because their case also has the strongest magnets. But any case, as long as it is an officially MagSafe compatible case and you stick it on here, it will hold tight. Now, besides that, this has that Cryoboost fast charging, wireless charging technology. What does that mean? Well, it has a little fan built in here, and especially if you're using your phone in your car with GPS, that tends to make your phone hot, especially if you're charging and you're using GPS. And as the battery gets hot, it doesn't charge as efficiently. So they've built Cryoboost technology into here to help keep the battery in your phone cooler so that it can charge at the fastest maximum capacity. So having your phone attached to this and charging, it's going to charge faster than it would even another wireless charger with the same output because this is going to keep the battery in your phone charging at maximum efficiency thanks to that Cryoboost technology, which is really, really awesome. It does also have this cool, nice little blue ring around here. During the daylight, you can't really even hardly see it or tell that it's there, but at night, it shows up nice, but it's not bright. It's very, very subtle, but really cool looking before you put your phone on it. Then, of course, once your phone is on it, you don't see it at all. And this holds great. You're going to see footage of me driving around with my phone stuck to this. And I live in the best test case for a car mount because I have an 11-year-old car that doesn't have the best suspension in the world, and I live in Los Angeles, and I drive on the freeways where I'm going anywhere from 50 to 70 miles per hour on some of the worst, bumpiest freeways in the country, and never once have I had any issue with my phone even seeming like it's going to come off this. It does not come off. This holds so tight. Again, as long as you are using the phone itself or the phone with a MagSafe compatible case, once you stick it on this magnet, it's stuck. It is not going anywhere, which is great. And then also you have this nice vent mount. Now this vent mount, it uses a really strong spring-loaded clamp to clamp onto the vent, but then it also has this nice foot that has this rubber base on it, and it's a pedestal, and it adjusts so that you can adjust it to whatever you need it to be to work with your vent. And then you can even turn this. So the vent mount can be turned so that you could mount it on vertical or horizontal vents. It'll work on either or because it can be turned to whatever is appropriate. Of course, the mount itself is adjustable so that once you get this on your vent, you can then turn this to get it to the right position so that it's the best viewing angle for you. Of course, it'll work in vertical or horizontal mode, as any great MagSafe accessory will. It'll hold it no matter how you put it on there. Once it's on there, it's on there. You do not have to worry about your phone dropping off at all. You know you're going to get that super fast wireless charging, especially because of the Cryoboost, which is going to keep your phone at the right temperature for maximum efficiency with the charging. And it's going to hold your phone, and it looks cool. It works great. Again, ESR, they make some of the absolute best MagSafe compatible accessories with their HaloLock technology. And if you're looking for a car mount at all. And even more so, if you're looking for a car mount that has wireless charging technology, then you cannot beat this one by ESR. It is absolutely one of the best out there, and definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with all my future product reviews. If you have any questions about this product, just post them down below and I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.